A very good morning, students. I hope you all are safe at your home. Today we are going to learn a new topic from the lesson Birds, Food and More. What is the lesson name? Birds, Food and More. Refer the textbook page number 62 and 63. Refer the textbook page number 62 and 63. And our topic name is nesting habits. What is our topic name? Our topic name is nesting habits. Birds build nests to lay eggs. They choose places which are safe from enemies and bad weather. Okay, what the birds will build? Birds will build nest to lay eggs and to keep their babies safe in the nest. Birds use materials like twigs, dry leaves, cotton thread, wool, feather, hair, pieces of cloth, paper and pebbles to build their nests. What are pebbles? Pebbles are the small rock stones. Okay, the eggs are laid in the nests. After some times, what happens? The eggs hatch and the baby birds come out. What will come out of the eggs? Small baby birds will come out of the eggs. When the baby birds are big enough, they fly away. Most parent birds also leave the nests. They build new nests when they have to lay eggs again. Okay, when the birds will want to lay the eggs, what they'll build? They'll build the new nests and they lay eggs in that. After some days, what happens? The baby birds will be coming out of the eggs. When the baby birds are big enough, what happens? They fly away and the parent birds are also going to leave that nests. So today we are going to learn the different birds and their types of nests. Different types of birds will build the different types of nests. What is the first one? You are seeing in the picture. It is a tailor bird. What it is? It is a tailor bird. The tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to sieve leaves with materials like thread and wool. How you will stitch a cloth? With the help of needle? No, you will sieve with the help of needle. In the same way, the tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to sieve leaves with the materials like thread and wool. This is why it is called as the tailor bird. The nest is made cozy with cotton, wool, hair or dry grass. What it will use to make a nest? Cotton, wool, hair or dry grass. What is the meaning of cozy? Cozy means it will make the nest comfortably. Okay. Next is about the weaver bird. What it is? Weaver bird. The weaver bird makes a beautiful and strong nest with twigs and grass. What are twigs, beta? Twigs are the small sticks. Okay. What it will do? It will make a beautiful and strong nest with the help of twigs and grass. It views the grass in and out. You can see how the nest is. What it will do? It will view the grass in and out rapidly. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree. Where it will make the nest, Nana? On the branch of a tree. It will hang from the branch. The bird enters its home through a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest. For the pipes, water pipes will be there, no? For the water pipes, tunnel will be there, no? In the same way, you can see in the picture how the bird will enter. Bird will enter through a tunnel-like structure. There is a tunnel-like structure, no? From that, it will enter into the nest. Next is about penguin, Nana. In the picture, you can see the penguin. What the penguin will do? The penguin collects a few pebbles and stones to make a nest on the ground. Where the penguin will make a nest? It will make a nest on the ground itself. What it will use? It will use the pebbles and stones. I already said you, what are pebbles? Pebbles are the small rock pieces. Penguin will use small rock pieces and stones to make a nest. Where it will make the nest? It will make the nest on the ground. Next is about the woodpecker. Okay, what it is in the picture? It is a woodpecker. The woodpecker pecks a tree trunk with its beak to make a hole. What is the meaning of peck, Nana? Peck means it will dig. Okay, you will dig holes on the ground, no? In the same way, what the woodpecker will do? Woodpecker will dig the wood on the tree. Okay, how it will peck? It will peck with the help of its beak. And what it will do? It will make a hole. To make its nest cozy means to make its nest comfortable. Okay, already I said, you know, the meaning of cozy is comfortable. What it will do? It lines the holes with chips of wood. Small chip pieces will be there, no? By using the small chips of wood, what it will do? It will make lines. Okay, what it will do? It lines the hole with the help of these chips. Next is about eagle. You know eagle, no? Yes. Birds like the eagle and the vulture make nests by using or by gathering a few sticks. Okay, small stick pieces will be there, no? They use few sticks. They gather few sticks and simply putting them together in the shape of a shallow cup. You know cups, no? How the cup will be? Shallow. In the same way, in the same shape, the sticks will be put together and they'll make a nest. In the picture you can see the nest of an eagle. Okay. So this is for the today's session, beta. What we have learnt in this lesson about the birds and their nesting habits. Okay, about the tailor bird, weaver bird, eagle woodpecker and the penguin. So try to read the lesson and write some new words from this topic. Okay? We'll meet in the next session. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.